Aloha and good morning. After a number of months of high winds, we finally calmed down enough so I can get some practice in again. I'm pretty bad at this and I really need to get a lot of practice, especially since this is a cheap drone and you have to literally fly this thing because it doesn't have any sensors in it, doesn't have any fancy stuff. So yeah, I need to practice quite a bit. So I got it out this morning. It was pretty calm. There's a light breeze out of the west, but not too bad. And anyway, I'm just out flying around trying to show you guys some of the rock work I did and stuff. Not doing the greatest job of it, but yeah, I'm still working on my bamboo fence and anyway, you'll see a bunch of work on it as it goes. I crashed and burned quite a bit today. So you will see me picking up the drone and resetting it up and then trying to fly. So yeah, this is just basically a practice run. I wanted to video it just to, have something to practice working on in the video, get some kind of little story going here maybe, and show you guys around the yard, and you can see the rock walls as I do it. This is about as far as I got, and I still got quite a bit more to do on the right. I've got about 20 or 25 feet to do. You'll see another pile of rocks over here. This will be coming the other direction. So yeah, this is just a pile. I still have a lot of work to do. So I kind of wanted to fly around, fly over the fence, turn it around, and it's definitely a work in progress for me. If I start drifting a little one way or another, and then things move too fast, and I get confused and end up running into a tree or something. So, but anyway. So here we're going to try flying over the fence and seeing if I can turn it around and show it from the other side. Just anyway, it's good fun. I mean, it's kind of like a remote control thing, but those little toggles are kind of hard to fly. I mean, it takes a while, and I don't have the muscle memory in yet. So anyway. Yeah, I was going to fly along the fence on the inside here, but I didn't get low enough until I hit the tree. So starting up again and going to fly down along the fence. Yeah, actually even this one I hit a couple leaves, but it wasn't enough to stop it. So you'll see it jerk for a second and then on I go. There you go, that was a leaf I just hit. And again. So now I'm flying towards the gate. There's the gate. And then crash again. This time I moved it over and put it on the toolbox here to launch it from, so I don't have to deal with the debris on takeoff. Yeah, sometimes it just gets away from me. Get moving too fast. I'll try that again. Yeah, it's funny, as long as you stay real calm, you're good, but as soon as you start feeling like you're getting out of control, then I panic and end up in the dirt. So I think, I believe we're going to try and fly out the gate here, yeah. That's the plan anyway, see if I can make it out the gate. Getting in through these things is a real trick, so got to go out the gate and then drop it down below the leaves and get under the leaves and go out into the street. So, there we go. Now we're back out in the street. Yeah, I've got a long way to go to learn to get good at this. And like I said, it's a cheap drone, so it doesn't have follow me or any of that kind of stuff, and it doesn't have sensors to keep from crashing. So, and see, I believe somewhere in here we have a crash, and I had to set it down to adjust one of the arms because the arms got bent in. You know, you fold them out. And anyway. Yeah, that's not right here. It's down further. There's a grapefruit tree. And then, okay, I'm taking it off. I'm taking it into the garage, and I'm taking off from the garage and flying out again. I'm going to fly down in through the yard. Check that out. There's my pile of bamboo off to the left. That's what I'm working with on the fence. It's amazing how much bamboo you go through with a fence. And then what I have left over, I got a lot of fence to do. So yeah, those are roots hanging down that just flew by. Roots on that ficus tree. Ficus tree is a member of the banyan family, and also the Bodhi tree, which Buddha was supposedly enlightened under. There we go. Let's go for a crash. Okay, at this point I didn't catch it, and I bent one of the arms in a little bit, so it was giving me a little trouble flying. I wasn't trying to figure it out, and then I noticed that it was out of whack a little bit. But anyway, yeah, kind of walking along here, following it. It's early in the morning, so because as the day warms up, we start getting a lot more wind. I was having trouble controlling it here. It was kind of going back and forth. Look at that form, man. Talk about just perfect form. Oh yeah, I got it, man. I don't know why I'm bent over looking kind of crooked there, but what the hell. Having to dodge the damn thing. That's when I noticed that the thing was out of whack. So I'm going to bring it down here and put it down and straighten out the arms so I have a little better control over it. Here we go. It's all over the place. So let's set it down. There you go. Okay, this is when I straighten the arm out, and then I got much better control. It's only bent in a couple degrees, but it was enough to make it not fly right. Okay, let's get it going. Actually, this one I kind of like this shot because it went right in through the bamboo towards the house. That's kind of cool, I thought. Anyway, that's about the end of it. So aloha, folks, and I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's kind of a stupid video, but fun to do.